not believe the fact that I've survived 9 episodes.
Yeah.
Like if I was the traitor, I would kill myself the first. I just want to get married, yeah.
Okay, and have you found the love of your life?
No, I'm single.
Also.
Like I have literally 0 boys that I speak to.
Yeah.
Romantically. So yeah, it's going great. My hunt for this boyfriend. Think Purav and Elnaz absolutely killed. Like they killed.
Yeah.
I'm just so happy that I'm friends with these people. So I can be happy that they have killed. Otherwise I would have been like so how dare they. जन्नत ने इनोसेंस में से काफी दिमाग लगाया है. सूफी भी बहुत दिमाग लगाता था, बस गलत लगाता था हमेशा. I was like, I really hope that they make me the traitor. मैंने full like करण जोहर के सामने speech भी दिया कि I would love to throw anybody out of the show and stuff like that. And thank God they did not make me the traitor because I would just go and tell people. I would be Raj. I knew कि mission करके तो मुझे कभी shield नहीं मिलेगी life में. तो I have to just fake it.
Yeah.
And I love like I love lying. It's one of my favorite things to do. Like my parents were really strict, so I've lied my entire बचपन. तो मुझे घर जाना था. And when they were like, आज आपको शराब दी जाएगी, मैंने बोला भाड़ में जाओ. मर्डर हो, मैं मर जाऊं, मुझे कोई पॉइजन कर दे, कोई मुझे genuinely भी पॉइजन कर देना, real life, I don't care. I am drinking tonight. And also Purav is seeing somebody, so there is absolutely like, no, that's not the reason why there is absolutely nothing. In general, there is absolutely nothing. Head of makeup आपको गाली दे रही है, आपकी शक्ल खराब है, ये सब मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ. मुझे सिर्फ मेरी मम्मी गाली दे सकती है और लोग कमेंट्स में. That's all. उसके अलावा मुझे मुंह पे किसी और की गाली खानी पसंद.
How does Apurva deal with her bad days?
I cry a lot. And then I get like really angry. My problem is when I'm sad, I'm really angry. So I fight with the people that I love the most.
So listen, have to address the elephant in the room. Your issue with Urfi, क्या चल रहा है भाई?
She doesn't exist for me anymore. So I've decided not to speak about her because all press is good press for some people.
Okay.
See, I saw Amazon's thumbnail for episode 10 and it's me and the other girl.
Yeah.
And I was like, this is surreal. Like Prime using my face for views, that is surreal. जिस दिन सब लोग खोद रहे हैं, पागल हो रहे हैं, I was like, my manicure. I don't think so because I knew, see, I'm not winning the show. That I knew since the very beginning. तो क्यों करूं मैं प्राइस पॉट में पैसे क्यों डालूं मैं लोगों में?
Hi everyone, this is Hesha Cheema and you're tuned on Varinder Chawla's page. Excuse my hand because my hand's being a rebel because I'm with Rebel Kid today. What's up, Apurva Sling?
Thank you so much for having me. First of all, you look beautiful. I love your energy. I feel like we've spoken so much off camera that now we're best friends, which never works out in my favor. I should not think that journalists are my best friends.
Yeah. But it's okay. I can be the exceptional. Okay. You know what? Yeah, I'm trying to be friends with. I'm not the traitor. You know what I mean?
You don't give traitor vibes.
I'm not
at all.
My hand has traited me today before this interview. But let's start it. Let's be professionals and make this happen. Okay. You killed it in the show.
Thank you so much.
You know, and not just because you're sitting over here and I'm saying this to you. I really wanted you to win the show.
Thank you so
Because you're damn smart, man.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
और पता क्या guts लगते हैं कि इतना दिमाग दिखा दो और फिर भी निकले ना ही जाओ.
Yeah.
It could have just thrown you out and been like, बहुत बुद्धि निकालो इसको.
I could not believe the fact that I've survived 9 episodes.
Yeah.
Like if I was the traitor, I would kill myself the first thing. Because I just talk too much. Not even like logically. Like I would just be like, okay, now she's getting annoying. For one episode, she was fine, but let's just now like kill her.
Yeah, exactly. And especially after knowing that how intelligent you are, they couldn't get it.
Yeah.
But then you know what? Their loss. You survived 9 episodes and every time you were thinking, अब जो Apurva बोली ना यही होने वाला है. And did you realize some people in the show actually started believing that that's it. You've cracked the show.
Yeah, people in the show just were not using their brains. लिटरली वो अगर वो मेरी बातों पे विश्वास नहीं करते थे तो वो किसी और की बातों पे विश्वास करते थे पर लोग अपना दिमाग तो लगा ही नहीं रहे थे शो में.
आपसे ज्यादा किसने अदर देन यू किसने सबसे ज्यादा दिमाग लगाया और किसने बिल्कुल नहीं लगाया?
I think Purav and Elnaz absolutely killed. Like they killed.
Yeah.
I'm just so happy that I'm friends with these people, so I can be happy that they have killed. Otherwise, I would have been like so. How dare they? But I'm so happy with them, and they played like a great game. They played it how it's supposed to be played.
Yeah.
So I think the traitors did a great job. And दिमाग I don't think उसके जन्नत ने इनोसेंस में से काफी दिमाग लगाया है. सूफी भी बहुत दिमाग लगाता था, बस गलत लगाता था हमेशा. Like he was never right, but he used a lot of his brain.
Yeah.
So at least he was trying. Other people were not even trying.
Yeah, true that.
Yeah.
Okay, but tell me something. Did you ever feel कि मुझे traitor बनना चाहिए था? I don't know why they didn't make me the traitor.
Yes, when I went on the show, I was like, I really hope that they make me the traitor. मैंने full like Karan Johar के नाम में speech भी दिया कि I would love to throw anybody out of the show and stuff like that. And thank God they did not make me the traitor because I would just go and tell people. I would be Raj.
Yeah, you
I would
would be-
100% be Raj.
देख सुमित को बता रही हूँ मैं हूँ
हाँ.
लेकिन किसी को बता
Or
रहा
I would like start laughing when they are like traitors अच्छा कर रहे हैं. I'll be like, like something like that. So I'm just glad that they didn't make
Yeah.
me the traitor. And मैं ये secret mission वगैरह that Elnaz and Purav have done, I could not in a million years be that person.
Yeah, they killed it, huh?
Yeah.
Actually,
Yeah.
but listen, I have to say, kudos on faking that shield.
Thank you so
Oh
much.
my God!
Thank you.
बाहर निकल रहे कह रही पता नहीं मेरे को मिली क्या स्ट्रैटेजी लगा रही हो तुम
Bro, I was like, मेरे को ट्रेटर तो नहीं मिल रहा है,
हाँ.
ठीक है? And my brain, leg and hand coordination is really bad, so I can't do missions. I knew कि mission करके तो मुझे कभी shield नहीं मिलेगी life में, तो I have to just fake it.
Yeah.
And I love like I love lying. It's one of my favorite things to do. Like my parents were really strict, so I've lied my entire bachpan. And so I always like blanket one big lie with small lies, so that when people go back home and they think about it, they're like, why would she lie about that?
Yeah.
But I totally would.
Wow, so that's like a very pathological liar trait.
No, but like I do it very. हाँ मतलब जब जरूरत हो.
हाँ.
Yeah, not to like manipulate anybody or anything, but अब नहीं मम्मी गोवा जाने दे रही है तो कैसे अपनी जवानी के दिन है यार.
कैसे के बाप करूँ?
Yeah, सिर्फ only in those scenarios.
But listen, guts to be on this show, knowing that this is my personality type, because I'll tell you why. पूरा hard relate, ठीक है? मेरे मुंह से भी 4 बार गालियां निकलती हैं.
Yeah.
I'm also somebody who's extremely loud.
Yeah.
And but I own it because why not? Big deal. This is who I am, you know. And I'm very opinionated. And imagine I'm a journalist.
Yeah.
Tough job.
Yeah.
Okay. And then when I'm putting myself in front of camera, I have to be like, Hisha, aaj composed रहना. So in the episode where you're actually talking about the fact saying that मैंने सोचा था मैं कम बात करूंगी, नहीं बोलूंगी, this, that, whatever, you did the exact opposite. Me.
Yeah.
Hard
I
relate.
can't do it. I just can't do it.
Okay, tell me something. Who was on the show who kept telling you, Apura, calm down.
Nobody. Not one person came and told me calm down, because it always used to be me and Sufi like just chilling together in a corner.
Yeah.
And he's just like me. So if I'm upset over something, he'll be like, I am more upset than you. Let's go and fuck these people up or something like that. So it was always like nobody was stopping me.
Everybody was like, karo apna
Yeah.
jo karna hai.
Yeah.
But listen, Born with Purav, I feel I open my Instagram feed and everybody's just talking
Yeah.
about Purav ki dosti, Purav this, and small clips coming in. Right?
Yeah.
Especially, I feel I don't remember which episode. I think it was 7th episode. जब
Yeah.
लोग साथ में chill कर रहे हैं.
Yeah.
You तो drop हो guard like party में बैठी हूँ. Show वो क्या है?
Yaar, okay. I wanted to go home after the 4th episode. So 4th episode के बाद there was this one day where we didn't shoot anything. So we were in our rooms without our phones, without TVs, without outside contact. We could only speak to this doctor who was like, आप combi film खा लो अगर आपको anxiety हो रही है तो. Thank you, ma'am. So we had nothing. And so I was so anxious and I didn't want to be there. The environment of that show was very negative. Like it was just very bad. तो मुझे घर जाना था एंड व्हेन दे वर लाइक आज आपको शराब दी जाएगी, मैंने बोला भाड़ में जाओ. मर्डर हो, मैं मर जाऊं, मुझे कोई पॉइजन कर दे, कोई मुझे जेन्युइनली भी पॉइजन कर देना, रियल लाइफ, आई डोंट केयर. आई एम ड्रिंकिंग टुनाइट. And then I don't know what all I've said. Daru PK, like I'm saying somewhere ki I haven't spoken to him in so long. Who is this guy?
Even I was thinking.
I was not dating anybody at that time. I was not even speaking to anybody at that time. So who was I talking about? I have no idea. मैंने अपनी पूरी राम कथा गा दी है कि आज तक मेरे साथ जिंदगी में ये हुआ है. मुझे वीडियो रूम में बुला रहे हैं, मैं वहां बात ही नहीं कर रही हूँ कि आज मेरी छुट्टी है, आज मैं कोई वीडियो नहीं दूंगी. So I just wanted to have a good time.
Yeah, you used to be having a great time. वहाँ पे पूरा पता नहीं क्या कर रहा है.
But Purav really like used us.
Yeah, man. He's like, कहाँ है powder किधर है ये किधर है? And I'm like, इनको दिख नहीं रहा because as viewers,
Yeah.
I know what the show can do because as a viewer, psychologically it was playing with me.
Yeah.
I'm like, गधे, क्या intelligent है ये?
Yeah.
Wow, they're doing a great job. And then the next thing I'm seeing is this boy, 20-year-old, like I think 2021, बहुत छोटा है वो.
23.
I'm 34.
Yeah.
I wouldn't be able to pull off one bit of what he's
Yeah,
pulled off.
yeah.
And then one episode you're going and giving him only the traitor ka knife. I'm like, Apurva.
Okay, but like, okay. Did he vote for me? No, he didn't.
No, he didn't.
Had I given it to anybody else, they would have voted for me.
Yeah.
And the problem was I didn't have another option. Who do I give it to? I can't give it to Urfi की भेड़ बकरियों का group, right?
Yeah.
So that Purav was the only option I had,
Yeah.
and he didn't vote for Harsh. So मुझे जो चाहिए था वो तो हो गया ना.
हाँ, but वो भी मतलब हर्ष जो सगा पिंकी पोंकी they were roaming together,
Yeah.
and the next thing it is it's he's with you.
But people think that Purav did that because he's in love. He was in love,
Yeah,
or he liked
crushing
me,
on
or
you.
we were friends. It was none of that. See, when I go out and they figure out that I'm an innocent, and Purav has voted for Harsh, they'll be like, "हाँ, बेचारा Purav, he तो tried, voting out Harsh. Had he written my name, people would have been like, you were friends. She turned out to be innocent. Why did you vote for Harsh?" So it was like game-wise, it made complete sense, and it's great that he did that
Yeah,
for his game.
yeah, true. Where are you all right now with the friendship?
We meet like अभी ऐसे कोई event वगैरह होता है तो we meet, वरना Purav doesn't live in Bombay, and also Purav is seeing somebody, so there's absolutely like no, that's not the reason why there is absolutely nothing. In general, there is absolutely nothing. Like we've met, I think about thrice after the show ended. Once right after the show, फिर हम एक बार ऐसे बीच में मिले थे, and एक बार हम award पे मिले. That's all.
Okay,
So-
bond with Karan Johar right now. I'm sure he must be highly impressed.
Do you think Karan Johar talks to me?
No, but I'm sure he must be highly impressed with your intelligence.
I don't know. I've not spoken to him, yeah, but I hope so.
Yeah, the message should go out. No,
Yeah.
do you think Karan Johar talks
Hi,
to me?
Karan. Please check.
I think he likes intelligent people.
Yeah?
That's what it is. Yeah.
Hopefully.
Okay, what's your situation with Sufi? He's a great guy. I just met him recently.
Sufi and I have been best friends ever since the show. Like, we talk to each other every day. We see each other every day. We live 5 minutes away from each other. So it's great. I'm so glad that, we became friends on the show.
Yeah, and he had a funeral, as he calls it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Love it. We're waiting.
But it's so Sufi.
Yeah, it
Like, if anybody had to have a funeral, it had to be Sufi.
Okay, plans. What are your next plans?
In life,
Yeah, show's over now.
मुझे
What
शादी
next?
करनी है.
क्या?
Please, कोई मेरी शादी करा दो.
अपूर्वा?
Genuinely.
क्यों? क्या? कहाँ से आया ये प्यार?
क्योंकि अब मैं और वीडियो नहीं बनाना चाह रही हूँ. थक गई हूँ मैं. और रियलिटी टीवी शोज भी आई डोंट थिंक आई शुड डू आफ्टर दिस. लाइक आई शुड लाइक रियली लाइक calm down for a little while. So I just want to get married. Yeah.
Okay, and have you found the love of your life?
No, I'm single. I don't
fine.
even talk to anybody.
Oh, that's all of us.
Yeah.
That's all
Like
of us.
I have literally 0 boys that I speak to.
Yeah.
Romantically. So yeah, it's going great. My hunt for this boyfriend. मुझे स्वयंवर कर लेना चाहिए. I feel like.
Oh, that would be a great reality show.
And the edit would be in my control also.
Yeah,
so-
full-fledged. That would
Yeah.
be amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me something. This is so chalo, you want to get married, but professionally, what goals?
I don't know, yaar. Like, I feel like I wanted to be an actor, and then I realized not really, not my cup of tea. And
Why? You have pretty face.
yeah, because it's really tough. And I hate tough things. Like, I want to do easy things in life.
Apurva, your life is tough.
Yeah, but I don't want to be on set for 18 hours where there's no Saturday, Sunday, public holiday.
Yeah.
और आप गाली खाओ भाई. मतलब हेड ऑफ मेकअप आपको गाली दे रही है कि आपकी शक्ल खराब है. ये सब मैं नहीं कर सकती हूँ. मुझे सिर्फ मेरी मम्मी गाली दे सकती है और लोग कमेंट्स में. दैट्स ऑल. उसके अलावा मुझे मुंह पे किसी और की गाली खानी पसंद. तो इसलिए आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव इट इन मी टू बी एन एक्टर. आई एम लर्निंग हाउ टू डीजे.
That's
So
cool.
I want to be Paris Hilton. So hopefully I can be a DJ soon.
You know what? That happens. You probably might just have a show on yourself.
Yeah, I hope.
That would be crazy.
But I would
Paris
hate
people
to have
follow
like
you.
a follow reality show.
Why?
Because it's like I already have so much about myself on the
Yeah.
internet. I don't think I need to like let in people even more. I feel like zyada ho gaya now. Let's just shut off a little bit. So, and especially I don't want my family and people who are close to me go through that level of scrutiny that people get.
Do you like the fame and the attention? The good ones?
I love the money. Attention also, like I like to an extent where if I'm I'm at an event and somebody sees me and they're like, oh, you can take that table, come to the VIP section, stuff like that, I really like.
Yeah.
But other than that,
No, you're chill without it.
Yeah, yeah.
But पैसा बहुत important.
पैसा, हाँ. I
सबके
feel-
लिए.
Yeah, just पैसा मुझे, I love it.
क्या करोगे इतने पैसे का पूरा?
खर्च करूंगी इतने पैसे, घूमूंगी.
Okay, what are the things that are not on the internet about you? Probably 1 or 2 things that you can share. The people don't know about you.
Oh God. I think अगर मैंने अभी तक नहीं बताया है, it's for good reason कि मैंने नहीं बताया है, वरना मैं बता देती, वरना अभी तक मैं story time बना देती उसमें.
But ऐसा कुछ, you really don't feel that people shouldn't see this beyond what they already see, which is
No, enough भाई, और कितना beyond. I think traitors के बाद तो enough of my personalities out there. Now
Yeah.
let's not give people more.
But can I tell you something?
Yeah.
And it's a compliment, take it as one. I feel after the downfall that you had, this was a great shift for people to actually realize what a smart girl you are. So
Yeah.
kudos on that.
Yeah,
Great. Take it
hopefully.
a chin high.
Hopefully.
Okay, how are you with like your bad days? How does Apurva deal with her bad days?
I cry a lot. And then I get like really angry. My problem is when I'm sad, I'm really angry. So I fight with the people that I love the most. Like I'll fight with my agent. I fought with her yesterday. So now she's sad. So I have to go and say sorry and all to her. Yeah, every week I'm saying sorry to somebody. कि मुझे माफ कर दो. So my sadness just turns into a lot of anger, and it's usually very misplaced anger. But then I listen. Once I cry, like last night I did my makeup and I was like sitting like this and crying, so the tears fall
down.
right on the ground. Because I saw like Sabrina Carpenter say it, but mine were to rolling on my face only. I was like, do I not have face symmetry for it to go straight down? What the fuck? So yeah, I cried a lot. Then I listened to a lot of Taylor Swift songs, and then I was fine.
I also cry like this, but then I realized it all just falls.
Yeah.
There's no point. I'm going to try the other
Yeah,
one.
try that one.
Once this gets
You have a very pretty face, so I feel like yours should fall down.
Thanks. So are you. You're also very cute. I told you that. I think you can become an actor, but अब नहीं करना.
I am an actor, भाई. मैंने 3 project किए हैं, but
but अब नहीं करना.
yeah, मतलब इतना करके main character की best friend तो नहीं बनना है भाई.
Yeah, that's true. Up to you
Yeah.
should get the main character energy now, not nothing else otherwise.
Yeah.
Okay, tell me something. If you get like a cliched reality show now, which I know I'm talking about is Big Boss,
Yeah.
अगर आ गया तो अब क्या करोगी? क्योंकि अब तो पैसा देंगे.
दिखते हैं. Never say never.
Yeah, never say never. And what a fresh air would that be to have you on the show and imagine you again being the smartest of them all.
Big Boss में smart होने की क्या जरूरत है?
है? Task, elimination, कुछ
Bro, I can't do tasks. That's my problem. Like, I literally, in Traitors, I have not done one task. जिस दिन सब लोग खोद रहे हैं, पागल हो रहे हैं, I was like, my manicure. I don't think so. Because I knew, see, I'm not winning the show. That I knew since the very beginning. तो क्यों करूं मैं प्राइस पॉट में पैसे क्यों डालूं मैं लोगों के लिए?
Why did you think you'll not win the show? Can I tell you something? Everybody as a viewer from the episode go thought that you'd probably win the show.
यार एक तो I have won nothing in life. दूसरा, I'm not a very competitive person. Like, I don't care about winning in general. I've never wanted it. Even when Sufi was like, मुझे finale जाना, I was like, good for you, babe. But I never thought that for myself. And I knew that I've made like a lot of enemies in the show. And in the finale, basically when the elimination happens, आपको स्पीच भी नहीं देने देते हैं, आपको खुद को जस्टिफाई भी नहीं करने देते हैं. They just vote for you and they just throw you out based on the vibes. And I was like, my vibes are not very like finale for other people. So I would rather like leave in the 9th episode, and I wished with every single cell in my body that please let me go today. And when I go, I want to say something bad again. I want to just twist the knife a little bit.
Yeah.
So even in my speech, I was like, I don't love you all.
Yeah.
I don't respect you all. So कि at least इतना तो कह के जाने का मौका मिले. And yeah, it's the only, like, it's the last time where you can defend yourself, look smart, and make other people look dumb.
Yeah, which you did beautifully, Apurva.
Thank you so much for clapping with your one broken hand. That's so sweet.
You did. And listen, have to address the elephant in the room. Your issue with Urfi, क्या चल रहा है भाई?
She doesn't exist for me anymore. So I've decided not to speak about her because all press is good press for some people.
Okay, we can move on from that.
Yeah.
I respect it.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Moving on. Now tell me something. Any regrets कि ये better कर सकती थी show पे या ये नहीं किया? क्यों नहीं किया?
Absolutely not. I think given my mental state at that time in life and how I was doing and how young I still am, how young I was, and like everything combined, I played the best game that I could play. I have absolutely zero regrets. Could my language have been better at 1-2 places? Sure. But I've been actively working on it, and I feel like, you know, after Latent I've changed quite a lot. So it's just that कि उस time पे मुझे, I had nothing to lose. So I was fully being like, अरे हाँ भाई, whatever. But now I think I'm growing up, and yeah, except for that, nothing.
Okay, what's your thing with social media right now? When did you become so thick-skinned?
So before like the controversy, I used to read all the comments and really like consume everything. I used to be obsessed with Reddit. I used to open Reddit like every 30 minutes, read everything about myself. And then when Latent happened, it all became so much that it started meaning like nothing. And I took a trip with one of my really close friends, Rahul, love him. And I was on top of this mountain in the French Alps. I was attending Tomorrowland Winter. And उस दिन ना मेरे बारे में बहुत सारी न्यूज छपी थी and बहुत कुछ हो रहा था रेडिट पे, and there was no signal on the mountain top, so I couldn't read it. I was without a signal for like about 10 hours, and I think after the 2-hour mark I forgot that I had to check my phone. And then Rahul, like my friend, he held my hand and he was like, see, this is your lowest point, this Apurva who gets to do this when an entire country is against you. And I was like, fuck yes.
Yeah.
This, like that moment like altered my brain chemistry in a way where I was like, all of these comments, all of these posts mean nothing to me in reality. They mean absolutely nothing.
But as I said, kudos, because I think the show, शायद ये पहले shoot हुआ था, right?
Yeah.
Is it shot before later?
Yeah.
But look at the timing of things. I think I believe in universe and God and
Yeah.
everything. मैं ये सब में विश्वास करती हूँ, लोगों पे नहीं. And I feel great timing because the whatever happened in the back and then this comes up, people actually get to see this. And I think that's what you're getting appreciated for more. मतलब haters turning lovers.
Yeah.
What more? Crazy. And imagine everyone wanted you to win. I think that's amazing.
Yeah, I mean,
Crazy. Love it.
literally, I saw Amazon's thumbnail for episode 10 and it's me and the other girl.
Yeah.
And I was like, this is surreal. Like Prime using my face for views, that is surreal.
Yeah, first
could never
episode.
imagine.
So I'm going to give this information to you. The first 3 episodes were screened for press.
Yeah.
And we saw it on the big screen. Theater वाले रूम में बैठ के हम देख रहे थे. एक बंदा नहीं था वहाँ पे. हम गए थे सोच के कि बहुत hectic है ना, एक episode देखेंगे and we'll move on from there.
Yeah.
We have all sat with our bums glued over there and being like, just give us the screeners. We were okay to sign 100 NDAs, but we wanted the screeners and Amazon just breadcrumbed us. ये लो, ये थोड़ा सा ले लो, ये थोड़ा सा ले लो. और अभी हम थोड़े पे ही चल रहे हैं. So I know partial information. We're waiting for the rest, of course.
Yeah.
But great show, great job,
Thank you
Apurva.
so much.
So proud of you.
Thank
Keep
you.
slaying.
Thank you
and
so much.
I'm a fan.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Lots of love, more power.
Love you. I had so
And-
much fun chatting with you.
Me too. Me
You
too.
have such amazing energy.
Roll
I
your.
love it.
I'm just gonna.
I
cry.
would never like do an interview with my broken hand and be this happy.
Oh, thank you. I actually didn't want to do it either because I thought लोग troll करेंगे, sympathy के लिए बैठी है, this, that, whatever.
God.
So I actually thought I'm going to remove it, but then I was like, दर्द इतना हो रहा है कि निकाल दिया तो मैं पूरे इंटरव्यू में ऐसे ऐसे हड्डी डाल के बैठी
Of
हूँ.
course, please don't remove
So,
it.
yeah.
I've had a fracture. I used to keep removing it.
Oh God. Damn.
Yeah, I went to Tomorrowland with my hand broken. And I was like, bottom is high. And I was without like my plaster just dancing away.
Crazy. Okay, wait. One last question coming to my mind because I'm also a big barbari and I believe that people like us who are on the face are the people who should be trusted the most.
Yeah.
You know, but we're the ones who are always asked to zip it, chup raho, ye karo, wo karo, mama also. But then eventually my mom actually started telling everybody around. She's like, she's the most honest person you ever met because she tells you things as is and stop shaming her. It's okay. She's the black sheep of the family, but I love her.
Oh.
You know, yeah, I love that. Moms are
Yeah.
the best because they understand the kid better. Where do you think you derive this strength from? Because today I go back home and I know कि यार मुझे कोई कुछ नहीं बोलने वाला क्योंकि they know who I am. Does that happen to you as well?
Yeah, I mean, I've realized that it gives you nothing being a people pleaser and having 100 people who like you. You should just have 3 people who like deeply love you.
Yeah.
And then that's it. And as soon as I got that in life, I was like, "Ah, fuck this. I'm not gonna, just be somebody else because you want me to be. And honestly, this is the best way to live. I just don't want to live with regrets.
Yeah.
Like, it bothers me so much to see people not live fully that I don't want to be that person. I just want to have fun in life. And, if I die tomorrow, I swear I have 0 regrets.
Wow.
And I just want it to be that way for the rest of my life.
And why are you following 0 people on Instagram?
Yeah, because I'm cool like that.
Wow! I love it.
I will only now follow my husband
Ooh.
after I get married.
That's it.
One-
Apurva को शादी करनी है, guys. Proposals,
Yes.
please DM. Only honest, nice people who
Yeah.
can handle a strong woman. I
Yeah.
say that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Apurva.
Yeah.
Lots of love. More power to you.
Love you.
Have a great press day ahead.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It has just begun. So.
Yes. All the best.
Yeah, this is the max energy I would have today. So you are the best interview.
Thanks.
Okay.